I'm Cyndi.
And I'm Erika.
And this is Wifing Around Death Valley National Park Part 2.
Thanks for joining us.
We're definitely taking our time this morning, having a nice big hearty breakfast, and then we're off for more adventures. First on day 2's itinerary is the Salt Creek Interpretive Trail, and this is definitely a chill walk more than a hike, but there's something really unique to keep an eye out. Also, just that the fact that there's a creek in Death Valley is counterintuitive and awesome. We're just keeping our sandals on for this one though.
It's supposed to be up to 7 times saltier than the ocean.
This is a great one to do with families, but I don't think that it's something to pass up, even if you're looking for like those epic adventures, just because it's such a unique landscape. We're keeping an eye out for some pupfish. The reason they're called pupfish is when they're out there feeding and breeding. And apparently they look like puppies when they do that.
This is the most like Death Valley interpretation of water, where it's like, oh yeah, water, but like make it salty, saltier than the ocean, you say?
Sure. Is that pupfish?
Is that the only pupfish in this entire body of water?
I think we just saw pupfish.
It was great. It was really cute. It was like a nice pull off. Chill. Fun to see water in a place that you don't associate with water.
And speaking of water, we're gonna head to
Darwin Falls. Father Crowley's Vista Point, Rainbow Canyon. We try to cluster.
if possible, get gas at Stovepipe Wells, which is just like 30 minutes away from Furnace Creek. Gas is $2 cheaper a gallon.
Yeah.
First, you turn down an unmarked road.
Just after Panamint Springs. Yeah, this road's a little rougher. Nothing that's not doable. We've been on worse.
It's a popular area. So this trail is about 2 miles, mile in, mile out. And from the looks of it right away, it does not seem like you're about to see a waterfall. Pretty desolate. There's kind of 2 options to go. We're almost to the falls. I think there's like this route, a little bit more steady incline, and then there's this weird climby route with a rope over there. So, of course, I'm gonna do the rope. Oh no, I hope I don't fall. I never would believe that this is in Death Valley, ever. I would call this an easy plus walk, hike. Not moderate, but there are some river crossings and you kind of have to navigate your way.
Yeah, you're like scrambling through a creek bed the whole way here, so.
Our next stop is just a short drive away up to Father Crowley's Vista Point, which offers sweeping views of Rainbow Canyon, aka Star Wars Canyon. We packed a lunch to enjoy while taking it all in.
If you're gonna make this trip out to see this waterfall, this is an extra 25 minutes. You have to come see it.
And go to the paved parking lot, but then go down the dirt road.
X mode.
X mode activated. You know what? X mode has gotten us out of a lot of hairy situations that we should not have brought our Subaru into. X mode activated.
An optional stop on your way back to the dunes for sunset is Mosaic Canyon. It's a slot canyon. We're not gonna do the whole thing because we'll run out of time and we wanna hit sunset at the dunes. But depending on where you're at in your day, you could totally just keep going.
But it's called Mosaic Canyon for all the different kinds of rock that are compressed in the walls that are then revealed by the water rushing through.
How does it feel to be an Instagram model?
Oh, weird. How am I doing?
You look great.
Is that why we do slot canyons?
Yep.
Okay.
I was medium about this canyon just because it's been a long couple of days, and after a while you're like, okay, I think I get it.
Right.
No, false. Go to Mosaic Canyon. This is so awesome.
It's really pretty and it's nice because it's a slot canyon that's not sandstone. It just goes to show how much diversity is really here.
Now, we're headed to a great spot to watch the sunset, the Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes. They're the closest dunes to Furnace Creek, and they make a perfect stop on the way back to our campsite.
Sand dunes are really, really cool. They're like extra quiet and special. And this sand dune maybe isn't that. Special, yes.
Special, yes. Soft, yes. Beautiful, absolutely. But also very people-y.
Yeah, not quiet.
Understandably so, though. It's right off the highway.
Sure.
And there are other sand dunes in this park. They're just really far. And if you're only staying here for a couple of days like we are, this is your best bet to experience it.
It doesn't feel like you got away.
But the sun is starting to go down and it's about to be so beautiful.
Okay, bonus activity for day 2. We had dinner, put our pajamas on, and we're going to
Badwater Basin. Death Valley is an international dark sky park, so we would be silly to not go and try to see the stars.
And apparently, Badwater Basin is an excellent place to do that.
It's almost a new moon, so hopefully the moon will set pretty soon, and it'll just be us and the stars.
We made it, and we're using our red lights so that we're being respectful of other people that are enjoying it. We brought a little chair and a blanket so that we could cozy up and just watch the stars, and hopefully I'll be able to get it on film and show you, but we'll see. Okay, this is not as effective as I wanted it to be, but it is incredible. It is silent.
I've read if you're really quiet, you can hear the salt like kind of popping as it cools for the day.
Cool. We're back after stargazing. It was amazing.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, the pictures obviously weren't like amazing, but being there, you're just gonna have to see it in person, honestly. Thanks for watching our video.
Yeah, thank you.
We'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed and did all that fun stuff. And keep following for more adventures because day 3 is coming up.
Ooh.
Coming up in part 3, we explore the area around Death Valley by soaking in some hot springs, exploring a hidden desert oasis, and sampling a local brewery.
Cheers to more adventures. Come join us.